next rider is Sandra Williams, number 280, riding Mr. Good Looking.
Maddie.
It's the same girl.
Yeah?
Casey, tell Mike how you did
I didn't place.
in the walk trot.
You know what?
Huh?
You alright?
Yeah, then I got first, and I got second.
We don't know why she didn't place in the walk trot.
We could have placed
No, that's not an excuse, Case. Obviously you did something. No, that's not an excuse.
I'm looking at you while you were taking a picture. Yes.
I thought the fence looked fine. It looked fine through here. That fence was fine, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I thought so. He had Mike here earlier loving all over him.
You didn't? We just stay a second.
You did too.
No, I knew that, but I forgot about it.
Oh my goodness.